What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we are loaded up, headed to Haltech with Adrian's GT-R. We're going to try to turn it up and hopefully take it to FL2K. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. What are we doing?
I don't really know yet.
Me either.
Moving forward.
All right, guys, we have made it to Haltech. What you think it's gonna do?
I'm not sure. Just trying to clean up some stuff after
2 years.
2 years of driving it. Trying to get it ready for maybe hitting some events still this year.
Yep. Yeah, because I forgot about the Indianapolis one. That would be a good shakedown before FL2K.
Yeah, I think, I'd like to see more power, but this is what it is. If we don't make it, we don't make it. We're on a different kind of dyno, different place, different everything.
Right. But, yeah, because I actually don't know the difference between a mainline and a dyno jet.
Yeah, me either.
But I guess once we get our dyno jet installed, we can definitely see. But, well, fire it up.
It's gonna be cold-hearted this one.
Oh, you need power?
Oh yeah.
And guys, we come prepared. Top secret stuff right here. I can't show you. All right, you should have power.
Are we gonna have to jack up the trailer, you think?
Oh yeah. E85 coat star. Looks good. Awesome. Heck yeah. It probably had more coming out this time. Got a nice looking IS. Looks like it's got an IC7 in it. Is that a Supra? Dang, this Supra looks beefy. Coming in getting like the American flag halted.
With a Japanese guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Australian company.
That's what it's all about right there. swap out the spark plugs. It's spitting a little bit.
That's why she's spitting.
So we're going to change those out, and then we are going to get back to the dyno. So far he's got it to about 30 pounds of boost, made a little over 700. So he's about to turn it up. Well, after we get the spark plug changed, he's going to turn it up and then go from there. So sounds like they're about to make another hit. Let's go back. All right, guys. New spark plugs really helped it out. He did hit on 35 pounds. I think it made mid 700s. We're going to take it on up to 40. I think he's going to sprinkle in some timing, and then we'll see what it does. All right, guys, we are back from Haltech. Everything was kind of, well, when you're dynoing a car, there's just a lot going on, so I tried to do the best I could while I was there and Adrian was helping out. But we ran into a few issues. Adrian is going to go over that.
Yeah, so I've been plagued with alternator issues. Every project car I've had for years, it seems like.
Yeah.
So we had a hard time keeping voltage above 13 volts, which caused a handful of small issues. We ended up putting the car on a jump box
yeah,
or whatever to get by while we finished up the last bit of the dyno.
Yeah.
But I mean, it still needs to be fixed. Well, actually, I fixed it.
Yeah, he actually got it.
Ended up being a resistor issue.
We're finishing this video up Monday.
Yeah.
But he got that, and then voltage also like controls everything with your injectors, I mean just everything. So if voltage drops, then that throws off everything, like your latencies and all that good stuff.
Yep. Wideband and stuff like that was
wideband and everything was dropping out.
Yep. And then apart from that, we ran out of wastegate at 40 pounds. 40 pounds of boost, it just didn't want. That was 100% duty cycle. We could have put a bigger spring in it, but I mean, we're kind of pushing the limit luck on the motor already, probably.
This is everything you've heard on the internet. Don't take them over a certain amount of horsepower if they're not like main studded and braced
and everything else.
Well, we've been doing that.
Yeah.
But with his car, we're kind of like just we need to know the limits for customers' cars, and I mean, I think he's had it together for what, 3 years now?
2 years. Yeah.
2 years?
Yeah, I've had the car 3 years. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, I mean, for what the internet says versus what he's got away with, I mean, making a little over 800 wheel for, I mean, 2 years is pretty good in my book.
And it's made, I mean, over 800 on 2 different dynos now after 2 years and different weather conditions, hot versus cold versus, I mean, it's been pretty consistent, pretty reliable.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy other than charging issues, really.
Yeah, and all we're trying to do is, well, we're going to try to get it straightened out to take to Indy, hopefully.
Yeah, possibly.
Street car takeover. We're going to try to do that row race, and then we're going to try to do FL2K.
Yeah.
Just to get the car out there, because We just now start seeing the Skylines at Texas 2K. It's the first time we've seen the Skylines at an event, but they were just there, not competing. And Adrian wants to go have some fun with his.
Yeah.
So, like I said, we wasn't like just a lot of info in this. I tried to sprinkle it in there as I could. It was just trying to help everything going on and go from there. But everything else went good. I mean, we didn't really hurt.
Pretty much everything that we had any issues with, I've already fixed.
Yeah.
So we had a TPS that wanted to do some weird stuff at low RPM. The car only wants to be a wide open throttle. It just loves to be beat on.
On the screen, the TPS is just like running wild.
But I already got another TPS for it. The alternator charging issue, I think, is fixed. Cross your fingers. Put a new resistor in it. It seems like it's charging high 13s now.
Well, and you need to run that ground wire.
Yeah.
Because on the R32, like where the 33, the battery's already in the back, and then we moved his battery to the back. They want you to run it all the way up your ground.
Just another ground to make sure that has good grounds from the back.
Yep.
And then we're probably not going to put a bigger spring in it. There's no reason to push the limits on that because we're also
out of injector.
Just about out of injector in the 1700s.
So it'll leave some room for that.
Yeah.
But we did get to experience the mainline dyno at Haltech, and it's actually cool because it brings all the info into the Haltech.
Yeah. Yeah. It has CAN built into the main line, so you can.
So that was like real cool, like. And to actually just, see how bad it is to like put one on that dyno too, versus as we're used to, just strapping them down and put them on the rollers.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, all in all, it's a good trip. We'll probably be back at Haltech in about another week, finishing up Scott's car. So stay tuned for that, and hit that like and subscribe, and check out the next video. Been a while since I've done this, guys, but we're going to try to get back on it. I hurt my back and been out for a few weeks, so I'm back now and up on my feet. But we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.
Moving forward.